Hey everybody, Brian with Carolina Camper Works. In this video we're featuring the 2020 Sun-Lite Classic Model 16BH by Sunset Park RV Manufacturing. They do a great job with compacts. Let me tell you, this unit right here comes in at just around 2,400 pounds dry weight. Features electric tongue jack. You've got all your regular water tanks, gray and black, and clear water of course. It does feature side and rear awnings with a rear access door. Has upgraded steps like MORRIDE steps with adjustable feet. So it gives you a lot more options. You do get if you decide to order one custom, you can order from the manufacturer through us and get a selection of colors for the exterior. Two selections on the interior design with knotty pine or ash. This one comes with ash. Does feature LED light strips under the awnings, exterior speakers and a power outlet, alloy wheels. It's absolutely gorgeous, folks. And this video, even though it may look nice, does not do it justice. Now, as a compact, you're still not going to miss out on much. It has a bathroom. You have your sleeper dinette area, a queen-sized bed, a modern kitchenette. Look at all the cabinet space you have in this little unit. There's your refrigerator. Let's check out the bathroom. It is a full bath where you have a toilet and a shower separate from one another, as in some of the older units you might see that a lot of them had the combos. But you can find us at 8820 Knightdale Boulevard, Knightdale, North Carolina 27545, or you can visit us on our website to check it out at www.carolinacamperworks.com, or you can visit us on Facebook at facebook.com/Carolina Camperworks. Thanks and have a great day.